Normally, we should have lows in the single digits. Instead, it's starting out around 30, and we'll see a high of 38 degrees today. Some spots in the southern part of the area, maybe even hitting the 40s. Yeah, let's take a look here tonight. Well, we've got some rain and eventually some snow. So we got the fog this morning, some heavier rain this evening, and then late tonight, some snow, enough for a winter weather advisory for Forest, Florence, Oneida, and Vilas counties. Let's take a look at how much, or increasing that snow total, perhaps 3 to 6 inches here once you get northeast of Marathon County. But even around Taylor County and parts of Marathon County, there could be a couple of inches of some heavy wet snow. Here's how it looks on our future track. Gray skies, foggy and mild through most of the day. Then here comes that rain late this afternoon, and it could be some pretty heavy rain for the southern half of the area. We're talking about maybe up to an inch, close to an inch of precipitation. Boy, that's going to make things sloppy out there. A lot of puddles on the roadways. But then the snow is going to start as we get into later evening and overnight, the rain changing to snow, and we could see some of that accumulation. Now, tomorrow, thankfully, it's going to be dry, and we might see some sun in the afternoon. Saturday, it's finally going to turn colder for all the snow lovers out there and winter lovers. And finally, we'll have a little bit of snow drifting through the area once again. That could be maybe an inch or two on Saturday. It will be cooler as well over the weekend. So today, foggy this morning, rain developing late this afternoon, a high of 38, and that rain could be pretty heavy during the early evening tonight. Tough on the roadways. Snow late with a low of 31. And then tomorrow, 35. And if we're lucky, maybe a little bit of sun breaking out in the afternoon. You got to take a time to go see the sun. If it does break out tomorrow afternoon, it'll lift your spirits here in the middle of winter. Some snow on Saturday, maybe a couple of inches. Nothing, tremendous there. On Sunday, a mix of sun and clouds and highs in the mid-20s, and then mild for early next week. Back up into the 30s on Monday and Tuesday, but then a little bit colder trend for the middle to latter part of next week. We could see also a little light snow or a wintry mix of precipitation on Tuesday.